Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Wish all of you stay happy and healthy. On this occasion, I would like to present my second paper, which entitled Integration of Conjoint Analysis and Quality Function Deployment for New Product Development in Manufacturing Small and Medium Enterprise Case Study of Food Company. This paper I wrote together with my colleague Clarika and my student Alfred. This is our outline presentation. Overall, we have 5 sections which will be discussed furthermore, plus acknowledgement and reference. Did you know that small and medium enterprise are one of the pillars of our national economy? Currently, the contribution of SME to the national gross domestic product (GDP) amounts 60%, and the Indonesian government is targeting its contribution can reach to 70% of national GDP. And one of the manufacturing small and medium enterprise that are growing is a frozen food production business. According to the Association of Food and Beverage Entrepreneurs, called GAPMI, in Indonesia, the number of SME that produce frozen food reached 10% of the total national food processing SME. Similar to SME in general, which has weaknesses for the following things such as product development innovation including packaging design, marketing strategies, and distribution system. Therefore, this research discusses how to integrate conjoint analysis and quality function deployment in the development of new product for frozen food production SME. This research was conducted at a medium-sized company which produced a variety of dim sum frozen food products. The initial step in this study began by discussing in depth with the management company regarding the market share of their products as well as their marketing mix strategy. In the next stage, the preliminary questionnaire was made to collect data in the form of what attributes were considered important priority according to consumer preferences and other supporting questions. Questionnaires that were made before the deployment were test, trial, error first. Fractional factorial design is used to stimulate and generate several profile combinations using the full profile method approach. The survey results obtained were then calculated the relative importance and the utility value using conjoint analysis. In the final step, the product concept will be further developed using the KFD method for the food industry to plan and design the manufacturing process up to the packaging design to meet consumer needs. The total number of respondents was 214 with the demographic characteristic as shown in this table. From the survey result of the preliminary questionnaire, it found that there are 7 attributes which are considered in further product development. Then each attribute is developed at a level. All survey results were tested by person-error correlation. The final profile combination is determined based on the most positive utility value of a level in certain attribute as shown in this table. The products are further divided into 2 segments, namely economic segment and premium segment. The 2 segments have different important levels to the attribute of the product, as seen in detail in the table 4. Figure 3 and Figure 6 show the result of KFD. This is final design results for each segment, and combination profile result can be seen in Table 5. This research can be inferred that the integration of these 2 methods make it possible to plan and develop structured products according to customer preferences. The KFD used in this study was specially developed for the food industry, so it's appropriate to be applied to food processing SME, especially dim sum frozen food. In this study, 2 new product segments are developed in accordance with the target market, namely for the economic segment and the premium segment. The final specification of new product obtained. This research received a grant from Institute of Research and Society Service Universitas Tarumanegara. On this occasion, I would like to thank to this institution and also to everyone who assists complete this research. Thank you for watching and see you in the next seminar.